Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to track your Social Security payments online. It's important to stay informed about your benefits, and the Social Security website makes it easy to do just that. First, go to the official Social Security website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the My Social Security option. Click on that, and then select the option to create an account if you don't already have one. You'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity and create a username and password. Make sure to keep this information safe and secure. Once your account is set up and verified, log in to access your account dashboard. Within your account dashboard, you'll see various options. Look for the section related to your benefits or payments. Here, you should be able to view a detailed history of your Social Security payments, including the amounts and dates. If you have any specific questions about your payments or need further assistance, you can also reach out to the Social Security Administration through their contact information provided on the website. Tracking your Social Security payments online is a convenient way to stay on top of your benefits and make sure everything is in order. Make it a habit to check your account regularly to ensure accuracy and address any issues promptly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.